climate change? What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. Caused by greenhouse gases, pollution, solar influences, volcanic eruptions, forest fire. These natural and human activities are taking its toll. Temperatures are breaking records around the world.
The 21st century has seen the most temperature records broken in recorded history. 2016 was the hottest year on the record since 1880. According to NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or the NOAA, with average temperatures measuring 1.78 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.99 degrees Celsius warmer than the mid-20th century mean. This makes 2016 the third year in a row to set a new record for global average surface temperatures. Since the 1950s, every continent has warmed substantially.
Arctic sea ice and glaciers are melting.
Arctic sea ice coverage has shrunk every decade since 1979 by 3.5 to 4.1%. Glaciers have also been in retreat, including in major mountain ranges like the Alps, Himalayas, and Rockies. In 2017, Arctic sea ice reached a record low for the third straight running, according to scientists from the National Snow and Ice Data Center, or NSIDC, and NASA.
Sea levels are rising at their fastest rate in 2,000 years.
Rising sea levels is caused primarily by the added water from melting ice sheets and glaciers, as well as the expansion of seawater as it warms. Levels are currently rising at their fastest rate for more than 2,000 years, and the current rate of change is 3.4 millimeters a year.
Climate change will lead to a refugee crisis.
Displacement of people as direct result is not a hypothetical. It's already happening. An average of 21.5 million people have been forcibly displaced since 2008 due to climate change-related weather hazards, according to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. The organization says that climate change also acts as a threat multiplier in areas of ongoing conflict. Climate change sows seeds for conflict, but it also makes displacement much worse when it happens, it says.
The ocean is 26% more acidic than before the Industrial Revolution.
The pH of ocean surface water has decreased by 0.1, which makes them 26% more acidic now than at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. The waters are more acidic now than at any other point in the last 300,000 years.
Global flooding could triple by 2030.
The number of people exposed to flooding each year is at risk of tripling from 21 million to 54 million by 2030, according to a study from the World Resources Institute. This would result in the economic cost of flooding increasing from 65 billion euros to around 340 billion euros.
Earth could warm by 6 degrees this century.
The Earth's temperature will continue to rise so long as we continue to produce greenhouse gases.
The estimates for how much temperatures will increase by 2100 range from 2 degrees Celsius to as much as 6 degrees Celsius.